Hundreds of the trekkers stranded by a blizzard near the eastern face of Mount Everest in Tibet have been guided to safety by rescuers, Chinese state media reported on Sunday, October 5th. Unusually heavy snow and rainfall pummeled the Himalayas on Friday evening and intensified over the weekend. Hikers reported thunder, strong winds, icy conditions, and snow a meter deep. Rescue teams and hundreds of locals labored to clear the snow that obstructed access to the area, trapping nearly 1,000 people. As of Sunday, 350 trekkers were guided to safety, while state television CCTV said contact has been made with the remaining 200-plus trekkers who are still trapped. At least one person has died. Visitors to the remote valley of Karma were in the hundreds at the time of the incident, as many took advantage of the 8-day national holiday in China known as Golden Week, a peak season for local tourism.